So basically, imagine I'm a prospect who came over to Novocall. I want to talk to someone else. I saw that you guys have quite a number of products. I think there's two. One is to qualify the lead and then schedule and then have a demo call. One is automation through forms and widgets, pop-up. Okay, I think I want to talk to conversation and I want to talk to someone who is in charge of pricing, right? So I'll try to book a call, KJ here. I'll just put in my email for simplicity's sake. Demo, interested in pricing. KJ, can you share your number, please?
Sure, it's not every day that I get a guy asking for my number. 9785
9785
2351.
2351. Hey, you never know. So, right, call me now. So this is my phone. I represent Novocall. It is ringing now because I'm in charge of pricing. Right, so
new lead from Novocall.
It tells me there's a new lead from Novocall. This message can be changed. New lead from Facebook, new lead from whichever.
Oh,
and then your post.
ringing.
You wanna pick it up?
Okay.
Hi, hello.
Hi.
Yeah, so you're connected.
Nice.
Right, so demo interaction took place in less than 5 seconds. Right. And it's instant. So the customer's state of mind is already in the purchasing behavior. I have some questions to ask before I go further to commit to this. Can I have someone to call me? I just want to make sure that whatever I read is whatever you it is relevant now. And I want to talk to someone to convince me to buy. So I want you to convince me. So that's the whole gist of this. So on the back end, there is a lot of things that's happening. We can tell you all the lead that has happened. Information such as where you came from, how long it is, where it came from, the source, the call recording as well. The call recording is important if you want to do some sort of QA, especially for the marketing side. You want to know whether the call that you generated, all your marketing dollars, are they qualified sales calls? And you can listen to this, how the sales team actually picked up. You'll be surprised, at least I was surprised, that when we first did this on one of the clients, 80% of the time, their salesperson are not picking up the phone call. So that's sort of a transparency that we have and that we can provide to the marketing team. And the marketing team actually work the operation side to just fix that. Just get their salesperson to pick up the phone calls, and their conversions on sales has usually improved on that. Yep. Right, so that's the end of the online demo.